Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Veo 3's image to video feature. Step 1. Visit the Veo 3 platform and sign in using your account. Step 2. On the dashboard, look for the image to video option and then click on it. But you need Google AI Pro. Step 3. Upload your image. You can upload PNGs or JPEGs. Make sure that the resolution is high for better results. Step 4. Once you have uploaded, choose a video style or template, and then Veo 3 may offer styles like cinematic, documentary, or explainer. Step 5. Add motion effects or voiceover if the tool allows. You can also type prompts to generate automatic animations. Step 6. Set the video duration and aspect ratio. Preview your video to check transitions and effects. Step 7. Click render or export to process the video. And then after rendering, download the final output. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.